Hey there, fellow seekers of wisdom and self-improvement. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a topic that's close to my heart, self-help books. If you're new to this genre or unsure where to start, fear not. I've curated a selection of books that are not only insightful, but also perfect for beginners eager to explore the power of personal development. Let's jump right in. Welcome back, my fellow knowledge seekers. Before we dive deeper into today's intriguing content, I want to take a moment to invite you to join our community. If you haven't already, consider subscribing to our channel and smashing that notification bell. By doing so, you'll stay updated on all our latest uploads, ensuring you never miss out on the wealth of information we share. Let's dive into today's fascinating topic. The first one is the magic of thinking big. Ever wondered what sets extraordinary achievers apart? Dive into The Magic of Thinking Big by David J. SCHWARTZ, where the power of mindset takes center stage. In this timeless classic, SCHWARTZ unveils actionable strategies to amplify your ambitions, conquer self-doubt, and unleash your full potential. Whether you're aiming for career milestones, personal growth, or enriching relationships, this book offers practical insights that ignite courage and transform dreams into reality. Get ready to elevate your thinking and embrace a life of limitless possibilities. Next is How to Win Friends and Influence People. Unlock the secrets to genuine connection and influence with How to Win Friends and Influence People by Dale Carnegie. This iconic guidebook is your passport to mastering the art of relationships and persuasion. Carnegie's timeless principles teach us the importance of empathy, listening, and understanding others' perspectives. From navigating social interactions with grace to inspiring trust and respect, this book offers practical wisdom that transcends generations. Discover how simple yet profound changes in your approach can lead to profound transformations in both your personal and professional life. Next is Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert T. Kiyosaki. Explore the paradigm-shifting insights of Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert T. Kiyosaki, a groundbreaking book that challenges conventional wisdom about wealth and financial independence. Through the contrasting perspectives of his two fathers, his biological father, Poor Dad, and the father of his best friend, Rich Dad, Kiyosaki unveils profound lessons on money management, investing, and the mindset required for success. This bestseller not only demystifies the path to financial freedom, but also emphasizes the importance of financial education and entrepreneurial thinking. Discover how to break free from traditional notions about money and embark on a journey toward lasting prosperity and abundance. Next is Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. Dive into the timeless wisdom of Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill, a masterpiece that has empowered generations to achieve their dreams. Through extensive research and interviews with successful individuals, Hill distilled the secrets of prosperity into actionable principles. This transformative book emphasizes the power of mindset, persistence, and goal setting in attaining wealth and success. From cultivating a burning desire to leveraging the mastermind principle, Hill's teachings inspire readers to unleash their potential and manifest their aspirations into reality. Whether you seek financial abundance, personal growth, or fulfillment in life, Think and Grow Rich offers invaluable insights that can propel you towards extraordinary achievement. Next is The Power of Positive Thinking by Vincent Peale. Discover the life-changing principles of The Power of Positive Thinking by Vincent Peale, a timeless guide to cultivating optimism and resilience. Through practical strategies and inspiring anecdotes, Peale shows how positive thoughts can transform challenges into opportunities and setbacks into successes. This influential book teaches readers how to harness the power of faith, affirmations, and visualization to achieve personal and professional fulfillment. Whether facing adversity or striving for personal growth, Peale's teachings encourage a mindset that not only attracts positivity, but also empowers individuals to overcome obstacles and live life to its fullest potential. Next is How to Stop Worrying and Start Living by Dale Carnegie. Uncover the keys to a more peaceful and fulfilling life with How to Stop Worrying and Start Living by Dale Carnegie. In this timeless guide, Carnegie offers practical techniques to conquer anxiety and stress, empowering readers to regain control of their lives. Through insightful anecdotes and proven strategies, he teaches us how to break the cycle of worry, cultivate resilience, and live in the present moment. Whether it's overcoming fear of the unknown or managing daily pressures, This book provides actionable steps to foster a more positive outlook and achieve lasting peace of mind. Dive into Carnegie's wisdom and discover how to transform worry into proactive living. Next is The Law of Success in 16 Lessons by Napoleon Hill. Embark on a transformative journey with The Law of Success in 16 Lessons by Napoleon Hill, a comprehensive blueprint for achieving personal and professional greatness. Drawing from extensive research and interviews with successful individuals, Hill distills decades of wisdom into 16 principles that pave the way to success. From mastering self-discipline to cultivating a positive mental attitude, this seminal work provides practical strategies for overcoming obstacles and achieving goals. Whether you aspire to wealth, leadership, or personal fulfillment, Hill's lessons empower readers to unlock their full potential and create lasting success. Dive into this timeless classic and discover the keys to achieving extraordinary results in every area of life. Next is 6 Attitudes for Winners by Norman Vincent Peale. Transform your mindset with 6 Attitudes for Winners by Norman Vincent Peale, a dynamic guide to achieving success and fulfillment. Peale, renowned for his uplifting approach, outlines 6 essential attitudes that propel individuals towards greatness. From cultivating optimism and resilience to embracing a proactive mindset, this book equips readers with practical strategies to overcome challenges and seize opportunities. Through inspiring anecdotes and actionable advice, Peale empowers us to harness the power of positive thinking and determination. Whether pursuing personal goals or professional aspirations, 6 Attitudes for Winners offers a blueprint for achieving lasting success and living a purposeful life. Step into a world of limitless possibilities and discover the attitudes that winners cultivate to thrive in any endeavor. Next is You Can If You Think You Can by Norman Vincent Peale. Unlock the power of belief with You Can If You Think You Can by Norman Vincent Peale, a transformative guide to achieving success through positive thinking. Peale, a pioneer in the field of self-help, reveals how our thoughts shape our reality and influence our outcomes. This inspiring book empowers readers to cultivate a mindset of confidence, resilience, and determination. Through practical techniques and uplifting stories, Peale demonstrates how to overcome self-doubt, set ambitious goals, and persevere in the face of adversity. Whether aiming for personal growth, career advancement, or spiritual fulfillment, You Can If You Think You Can offers invaluable tools to turn aspirations into achievements. Embrace the power of belief and discover how to harness your inner strength to create a life of abundance and success. Next is What They Don't Teach You at Harvard Business School by Mark H. McCormack. Gain invaluable insights with What They Don't Teach You at Harvard Business School by Mark H. McCormack, a practical guide to navigating the complexities of business and leadership. McCormack, a renowned entrepreneur and founder of IMG, shares candid lessons and unconventional wisdom gleaned from real-world experiences. This groundbreaking book goes beyond traditional academia to offer practical advice on negotiation, decision-making, and building meaningful relationships. Whether you're an aspiring entrepreneur or seasoned executive, McCormack's strategies empower readers to seize opportunities, solve problems creatively, and achieve sustainable success. Discover the secrets to thriving in the competitive landscape of business with this essential read. Next is How to Develop Self-Confidence and Influence People by Public Speaking by Dale Carnegie. Master the art of effective communication with How to Develop Self-Confidence and Influence People by Public Speaking by Dale Carnegie, a timeless guide to honing your speaking skills and boosting self-assurance. Carnegie, renowned for his expertise in human relations, provides practical techniques and strategies to overcome stage fright, captivate audiences, and convey messages with clarity and impact. This transformative book not only equips readers with the tools to excel in public speaking, but also fosters self-confidence and leadership abilities. Whether you're preparing for a presentation, seeking to enhance interpersonal skills, or aspiring to inspire others, Carnegie's insights offer a roadmap to becoming a persuasive and influential communicator. Unleash your potential and learn how to command attention and respect through the power of effective public speaking.
If you enjoyed this video and found it valuable, we invite you to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. We are knowledge-sharing enthusiasts. We regularly delve into insight from various genres of book to bring you valuable information and perspective. Thank you for watching and being a part of a community of learners.